Alright, it is Friday afternoon at Happy Tales. This 7 days from our last day. I think I see mold in the sink here. Anyway.
It's possible.
It's possible, alright.
Anything's possible.
We've done an oral hematoma on this guy once before, and obviously this one's not from ear infection, but if you'll notice the little spots here, it looks like some of the dog has been chewing on this here. Some spots there as well. There's a real soft spot right there. I think that's the one that blew the blood vessel. Anyway, so we're going to go ahead and get this done, and hopefully this will be a pus cam or a big nasty blood cam, or I don't know. I'm not going to change their name just because they're blood versus pus. But it'll be cool.
Could be bus.
A bless cam.
Kind of like a keys and a snuff.
Yeah, there you go. That's a question for all you people who might be watching this. This morning I was sticking a Q-tip in my ear, and at the same time I had to sneeze. So I actually coughed secondary to the Q-tip in my ear and then sneezed at the same time. So is there a name for that? Like a keef or a keys? I don't know. It's got to be some name for that. Anyway, it was quite painful regardless. All right, so having asked that question, I am now getting ready to go in and do some surgery. All right, later.
A dog bite.
Dog bite?
Mm-hmm.
I'm surprised it was pus.
Well, it just broke the blood vessels.
But it was like punctured too much.
Yeah.
Done?
Yeah. All right. This is what it looks like after surgery. Those lovely hands of the camera are the hands of Bonnie Smith. If you're going to stalk her on the internet, please be rich.
Yes.
And they have lots of vehicles.
No, I don't care about the vehicles.
Oh,
Just be rich.
how about a big boat?
That'd be cool.
That'd be cool? All right, cool. All right.
How about big something?
I don't.
And please don't be over 55.
What?
Unless you get one foot on a peel and the other one in a grave.
I'm doing pretty good at 54. Come on now, 55 should not be a cutoff date.
It depends. Taking applications. Just kidding. Please don't stalk me.
All right, later.
What are you saying? Don't know what the fuck you're saying.
Too much fun for people who just got fired.